Mom? Thunder?
Yes, a storm is coming. Don't worry, the library is safe.
Okay, Mom. I feel safe here.
Mom, look! A big bear!
Wow, that bear is strong.
My story has a kind girl. She helps her friend.
That's a good story, Anna. We can relax and read.
I like weekends.
Me too. Weekends are the best.
Yes, weekends are nice.
This storm is perfect. Perfect? If the power goes out, that will be fun.
Mom, they're loud.
Yes, don't follow them. Just stay with me.
On movies, when the lights go out, something scary can appear.
Yeah, just wait.
Boo! Gotcha!
Please don't do that.
Hey, stop that. This is a library.
I'm joking. Relax.
It's not funny. You are making people nervous. It's getting late.
Are we going home soon?
Yes, we should prepare to go home.
But I want one more page.
Okay, one more page.
Done. It's louder now.
Yes, the storm is closer. We will stay inside for now.
So we wait, right?
Yes, going out now is not safe. Anna, help Peter with the bag, please.
Okay, Mom.
I can do it.
Okay, Strong Bear.
Wait, it's real?
This is not funny.
Everyone, please stay together. Please don't run.
Mom, it's dark.
Mom?
I'm here. Hold my hand. Slow breath. See? This is why we don't joke.
Okay, everyone, follow me to the lounge room. We have candles. Everyone, please sit here. Stay together. It's okay. Don't panic.
You are safe. Sit close to me.
Mom, it's still loud.
Yes, the storm is loud, but we are inside.
We just wait, right?
Yes, we wait.
Can snacks protect me?
Yes, snacks are strong. David, the power is out. We are inside the lounge room. The storm is strong.
Okay, stay inside. I'm coming now to pick you up. I will drive slowly in this rain.
Thank you. Please be careful. Dad is coming.
Good.
Okay. I don't like the dark.
It's okay. Look at me. Slow breath.
Okay, slow breath. I'm Anna. This is Peter.
I'm Snack Captain.
Peter. I'm Mia.
Mia, do you want snack therapy?
Snack therapy?
He means a snack helps.
I will check the system.
Hey, this is kind of fun.
Please keep your voice low.
Sorry, ma'am. I was near the vampire books before the lights went out. I saw a shadow.
And I heard a strange sound.
A shadow?
Stop. That is not helpful.
It's just a story.
Not now.
Candlelight makes shadows. Shadows can move. That is normal.
In the dark, small things look big.
And my stomach makes sounds too.
Peter.
It's true.
The main door uses a card system. With no power, it can stop.
So we can't leave?
Not yet. We need the emergency key.
Where is it?
Staff room or the emergency box.
Okay. One thing at a time. If we find the key, we can go out. Then we go home when the rain is calmer.
Okay, Mom.
Don't worry, I protect Mia and the snacks.
Thank you, Snack Captain.
Now look! A wolf is coming.
Stop. It's just your hand.
No! It's a wolf!
Wolves don't live in libraries.
That wolf has 5 fingers.
Yes, 5 fingers.
A wolf with 5 fingers.
I have a rabbit.
Peter, your rabbit is sick.
Enough. No more tricks.
You are making people scared on purpose. That is not kind.
Come on, this way. Quick, before they see us. What is that? No, no! Something is there! A big thing!
What happened?
Mom!
Stop. No more jokes.
Yes, don't scare people again.
I'm not joking. This time is real. I swear, it's real.
If this is another trick, it stops now.
Tell me where. Right now.
It's behind that door. It's big, under a cloth, like a ghost.
Okay, slow. We look first. We don't touch.
Yes, stay behind me.
Wait, please be careful. Maybe we should not.
It's okay. I will check.
Careful.
Oh, it's just our study model. This is for learning. Not a ghost.
It's bones.
It's just a model.
Wow, you are brave.
Yes, you are like a hero.
No hero, just a librarian.
Thank you. You were very brave. Next time, don't scare people.
Yes, use your voice to help.
I found the emergency key. Let's open the door now.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, everyone, please listen. We go slowly, one family at a time, no running.
Hold my hand. We are going out soon.
Okay.
I'm here, Peter.
It's open.
Good. We did it.
Watch your steps. The floor is wet.
I'm not so scared now.
Good. Fresh air helps.
Thank you for the breathing.
You did well, Mia.
Sorry for scaring people.
Yes. Sorry.
Thank you for saying sorry. Next time, be kind. And follow the rules here.
Okay.
Emma,
David. We're okay.
Anna, Peter, are you okay?
Yes, Dad. We stayed calm.
Yes, but I didn't like the thunder.
I know. You're safe now. Thank you for helping everyone.
You're welcome. Please drive safely.
I like the warm car.
Me too.
You both did well. You stayed together.
And you stayed calm.
People who scare others can be scared too. And someone who looks strict can be very kind.
Like the librarian.
And the tech man.
Yes,